Hello everyone, I am making this tutorial video to understand how to use Google Classroom app in mobile. So first I will show you how to install the app. So we'll open Play Store, then in search bar we'll type Google Classroom and I will search. So after searching you will get Google Classroom app. So you can see here I am getting directly here open option because I have already installed the app. So now I will click on this open option. So after clicking on open, the Google Classroom homepage will come. Okay, so as you can see here I have created already some classes. Okay, now I will show you how to create new class. So you can see here downside we are having one plus symbol. Okay, so I will click on this plus symbol. After clicking you will get two options. First one create class, second one join class. So I will click on create class. Okay, so after clicking you will get this page, that is class name, section, room, subject. So I will type here class name as 10th, section I will type B, room name if you want you can write. I am writing directly subject name. So as I am teaching math I will write here math and I will click on create option. Okay, so after clicking on create option in few seconds the class will be created. So after creating the class I will show you how to assign the students. So you can see here the class is created. Okay, now I will show you how to assign the students. So you can see here upside we are having setting option. Okay, we have to click on this option, then we'll go downside and you can see here we are having class code and invite link. So anyone you can use, either you can use class code or you can use invite link. So now here I will use class code. I will copy this class code and I will share this class code through WhatsApp to the students. Okay, now I will go back. Okay, now I am using only one device and I will use here two Google accounts. This account I will use as a teacher's account and one more account, that is this account, I will use as a student account. Now I will click on student account. Okay, so in this student's account you can see here there is no class. Okay, so now we'll click on this plus symbol and I will click on second option, that is join class. Okay, now already I have copied the code which is given by the math teacher. So I will paste here and I will click on this join option. Okay, after clicking on join you will join the class. So you can see here you have joined successfully the 10th B class. Okay, now again I will go to the teacher's account. I will open 10th B class. Okay, and I will refresh. So after refreshing you can see here this is the student account, my second account, that is Uday Kagi. He has joined as a student. Now I will show you how to assign the work. So you can see here downside we are having class work. So we have to click on this option. Next we will click on this plus symbol. Okay, so I will click on plus. So you will get three options. First one assignment, question or material. Okay, so you can choose any one. So if you are giving some assignment, so choose first one, or you are giving some questions, you can give second, or you can use second option. If you want to share some material like YouTube videos or YouTube links or any Google documents, you can use third one. So I will use now first one. Okay, I will click on first option. So you will get this page. You can see here title, description, points, due date and topic. So first I will type title, assignment number 1. I will type description. I will type dear students, kindly complete the work and submit it on before due date. Okay, next points. Suppose we are having in the assignment 10 questions. Each question carries 1 mark, so I will give here as a 10 points. Okay, if you want, you can give any points. Suppose 10 questions and each question carries 2 marks, then I will change it as 20. If you want no points, you have to choose the second option, ungraded. Okay, and you have to click on save. Okay, next, due date. So you have to choose the date. As you can see here, today is 28, so I will give due date as a last date to submit the work is 5. I will choose as a 5 June and I will click on OK. Also you can see here you are having time as a optional. Okay, so I will give time also, so I will choose 4 p.m. is the last time to submit the assignment. Okay, if you want you can write here topic name. Okay, at top I will write here addition and save. Okay, now next I will show you how to attach any document or any file with this assignment. So you have to click on this attachment symbol which is here upside. Okay, so you have to click on this and you can upload the file from drive, or you can take picture from using camera, or you can upload from gallery, or you can upload file from your internal memory of your device, or you can share any link from YouTube. Okay, so I will choose here gallery, so I will click on gallery, so I will choose this file. Okay, you can see here the file is attached successfully. Also you are having some option here downside. You can see here downside we are having one eye symbol, so you have to click and see. You will get 3 options: student can view, student can edit, make a copy for each student. If you choose student can view, so the assignment which I have attached, it can be seen by only students. Okay, if you choose second option, the file which you are attached, that can be edited by the students. And third one, make a copy for each students. I will suggest to use the third option, that is make a copy for each student. Okay, if you choose this option, each student will get separate copy. So I will click on this and I will click this on this option, send option. Okay, so after clicking on that, the assignment will be shared with the class. Okay, now you can see here we are given assignment. Okay, now I will go back to the student's account. Okay, and I will open the class, and you can see here the student has received new assignment, that is assignment number 1. Okay, now I will open. Okay, so you can see here description: dear students, kindly complete the work and submit it on before due date. Okay, so as already we have attached one file, so the same file here students will get. Okay, now I will open this. So you can see here student will get here pen option to edit. Okay, now I will edit. Okay, so suppose here some questions. Question number 1 I will write, I will choose option A. Next question number B, 2 plus 5 is equal to dash. So I will write here answer as 2 plus 5 7. So I will write one more question, dash plus 3 is equal to 5. So I will write here answer as 2. So assignment I have solved. Okay, now I will click here, I will click here this three on these three dots. Okay, after clicking you will get save. So I will click on save option. So it will take some time to upload. It depends upon your network. So you can see here, after turning your work, 2 assignment will be submitted for assignment number 1. So these 2 files will be submitted. So I will turn in. Okay, as a student I will turn in. Okay, so your work is submitted. You can see here downside we got one notification, your work is submitted. Now again I will go back to the teacher's account and I will open 10th B class. Okay, now I will open this assignment. Okay, turned in. So you can see here, the student has submitted the assignment. He has completed the assignment and submitted. Okay, now I will click on this. So you can see here the first file is the original file which I have shared as a teacher, and the second file it contains answers, that is it is solved by student and he has said. Now I will open this second file and I will check the answers. Okay, so you can see you can use this pen. Okay, so I will click here and I will use pen. So I will click first option, it is correct, depend upon answer, second correct, third correct. Okay, again I will click on save. So after clicking on save you will get so after clicking on save you will get edited copy again. Okay, again you have to click on return. You have to click here return option so that the student can see his mistakes. Suppose if he made any mistakes, he able to see. Okay, I will click on return. So work is returned to Udekagi. Okay, again I will go back to the student's account. I will open 10th B class as a student. Again I will just refresh once and I will open. Okay, you can see here 3 attachments. So this one is the new assignment returned by the teacher, that is after checking the teacher has returned. So I will open this. So you can see here all 3 questions I have solved correctly, that is the student has solved all 3 questions correctly. Okay, like this you have to use Google Classroom for assigning the